Welcome to Oak Alley. My name is Kara, and I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about pan Perdu, which is a very famous Cajun breakfast entree. Pan Perdu in French means lost bread. So years ago, the bakers baking their French bread, when it would get too old or too hard to sell as fresh bread or make sandwiches with, they found a way to utilize it by slicing it up and then dipping it in a wet batter that pretty much consists of sugar, eggs, milk, cinnamon, different flavorings. Then they would then grill it or saute it in a pan to give it that nice cooked, crunchy feeling on the outside, yes, soft on the inside, and then served as a breakfast entree with syrup or powdered sugar. Through the years, this has become a really popular Cajun style, gotta try breakfast entree, and in some other areas it is also known as French.
Hi, I'm Gary Octave, and today we're going to be making pan Perdu. This is French bread. I'm going to dip it into our milk, egg, cinnamon, and sugar wash. Turn it over. Until it absorbs. You don't have to let it sit that long, just until it absorbs. Okay, now we're coming over to the grill, our flat surface grill, and I'm gonna spread with pan release. I'm squeezing it to get the excess milk off. A little butter. I'm gonna place it on the grill. Get it fried sizzle. Add a little butter on top. It's going to take probably like a minute or so on each side, depending on how hot your grill is. This is our hottest side, so it's going to be kind of quick. Yeah, look under that. Yeah. Flipping and flipping until I get it the way that I want it to be, and then I'm going to plate it. Another powdered sugar for a garnish. A little whipped cream and the mint. And that's your pan Perdu on there, because we normally dip the pan Perdu into the cane syrup.